told me. You gonna lie to me?
Damn, shady, bro.
You gonna lie to me?
I feel stuck.
You gonna lie to me?
Huh?
You gonna eat that shit?
Yeah. Roll another blunt. Yeah. Look. Flexing on these niggas, plus I'm selling grapes. Mama praying that I stop, but I'm like, no way. Moving pound after pound, yeah, I'm losing weight. Me and my niggas from that gutter where it's not safe. So when you walk into your car, better watch your back. Cause my niggas in the streets and they stay strapped. Or they got that bat, so either way you fuck, nigga. You fuck around with them fuck arounds. You fuck around and get fucked up. You fuck around and get fucked up. Oh, that's your bitch, yeah, she let us fuck. She fucked the crew, she fucked the nigga, she fucked the boy, she fucked up. She done fucked around and fucked up. Yeah, nigga, I'm the boss now. Y'all niggas some car clowns in that pussy knocking walls down. I'm on this fucking beat, nigga. Strong than a motherfucker. Pockets on swole, nigga. Yeah, they on some other nut. On some other shit, nigga, get real quick, sliced up real quick, nigga, I'm that real shit, on that fucking real shit, nigga, get popped, hoes on my fucking dick, best believe they get dropped, yeah, niggas talking shit, I ain't even tripping cause your bitch is on my dick. Best believe she on that shit and I'm on this beat. Motherfuckers keep talking while your bitch calling me. Tell her stop it. Yeah, she on my Twitter trending topic. On this fucking beat, motherfucker yell stop it so I'm gone. Yeah, motherfucker, I am leaning. Niggas talking shit, yeah, your bitch, she said it tweeting about me. Yeah, she want this dick, so I'ma feed her. This dope dick have her turn into a Miss Khalifa. Now she on my dick, no homo in this bitch, nigga. Yeah, it's your bitch, nigga, and she with the shits, nigga. On your bitch on the corner bad, sucking dick from Lubbock to Trinidad. Yeah, don't give a fuck, I'm pimping hoes. Niggas talking that shit, this is Derrick Rose. On this beat, motherfucker, yeah, what it do? Niggas talking that shit, who the fuck is you? Yeah, I'm on this fucking beat, best believe it's me. Niggas on this fucking beat, you can clearly see. I'm on this motherfucker heavy. Riding in that Chevy, that two-tone Chevy with them 28s, yeah, I'm about to skate. On your bitch, yeah, grab a plate. We eating shit, yeah, she on this beat. Fucking her to some robbing meat. I don't even know what to say. Niggas fucking hoes like every day. I don't give a fuck, I'm on this beat. Niggas talking that shit clearly. Fucking all these models from the east to the west. Nigga feel like Superman, put a S on my chest. The way I'm rhyming, I'm shining. Hoes on my dick, yeah, she grinding. Yeah, I think it's your bitch. I think it's her sister. I don't give a fuck. I call her Miss Tooker. Cause I went and take her. She ball like the Lakers. She like the fucking Lakers, so I take her. Take her on the date one time. Yeah, she on my fucking dick. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Yeah, she ate that shit. That was her dinner. She sucking on my dick. She's the winner. Cause she swallowed my kid's chest for dinner. I came down ballin' on this fucking beat once again. Yeah, I'm in this motherfucker to win. We on this motherfucker nice. Y'all had to say it twice. Nigga running hard through your bitch like Jerry Rice. Don't give a fuck, nigga. Yeah, you's a fuck, nigga. I'm on this beat. Tell your bitch to buckle up, nigga. Cause